Hey everyone! Looking for the best laser and IPL hair removal device to achieve smooth, hair-free skin at home? You've landed in the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing laser and IPL devices of the year, considering effectiveness, safety features, skin tone compatibility, ease of use, and long-term results. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your grooming needs. Let's get started. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Yuarn Laser Hair Removal. The Yuarn IPL hair removal device offers a salon-quality, painless hair removal experience from the comfort of home. Featuring advanced sapphire ice cooling technology, it maintains a soothing 40 degrees Fahrenheit surface temperature to protect skin and eliminate discomfort during treatments. Its dual-pulse system delivers rapid, high-energy bursts that increase absorption by over 95%, making it more effective than traditional single-pulse devices. Designed for full-body use, it comes with specialized heads for both facial and body areas, allowing safe and gentle treatment on legs, arms, underarms, bikini line, chest, back, and face. Visible hair reduction can be seen in just 2 weeks, making it a fast and efficient solution. The device includes a portable storage box with accessories like glasses, a razor, and interchangeable heads, perfect for travel or gifting. Backed by a 1-year warranty and free replacements, the Yuarn device combines innovation, comfort, and convenience for smooth, long-lasting results. Number 4. Lubex Smart Permanent IPL Laser Hair Removal. The Lubex Glow 6A Plus Smart IPL hair removal device redefines at-home hair removal with its cutting-edge 4-in-1 system and intelligent app integration. Designed for both women and men, it uses advanced IPL technology to deliver up to 21 J of energy for visible hair reduction in just 3 weeks, with a reported 97.83% decrease in regrowth. Its Pilot X app customizes flash intensity based on skin tone and body area, offering real-time guidance for safe, effective treatments. The Sapphire Ice Cooling feature maintains a soothing 47 degrees Fahrenheit surface for up to 30 minutes, ensuring a painless experience from head to toe. Triple security protection, including smart energy adjustment, no light leakage, and blue light sensor mode, enhances safety and comfort. With its ergonomic 80-degree diamond design, the device ensures even light distribution and easy handling, especially for sensitive areas like the bikini line and underarms. Say goodbye to salon visits and disposable razors. Lubex Glow 6A Plus is your personal beautician, delivering professional-grade results with convenience and confidence. Number 3. Taxam Laser Hair Removal. The Taxam IPL hair removal device offers a powerful, painless solution for achieving smooth, hair-free skin from the comfort of home. Featuring advanced IPL technology with a wavelength range of 600 to 1,200 nanometers, it targets hair at the root to disrupt the growth cycle, delivering visible results in just 3 weeks with consistent use. Its upgraded 5 degrees Celsius ice cooling system minimizes discomfort and redness, making treatments gentle and skin-friendly. With 999,900 flashes and 5 adjustable energy levels, it's built for long-term use and customizable for different skin types and hair thickness. 2 flash modes, auto for small areas like the face and underarms, and manual for larger zones like legs and arms, provide precision and flexibility. Designed for both women and men, the device includes protective goggles, a shaver, and a user manual, making it a complete at-home hair removal kit. Whether you're prepping for a holiday or simply seeking a salon-quality experience without the cost, Taxam delivers safe, effective, and lasting results. Number 2. Ulike Laser Hair Removal Device. The Ulike Air 10 IPL hair removal device delivers salon-quality results at home with cutting-edge technology designed for comfort, speed, and safety. Featuring advanced IPL and dual light technology, it offers visible hair reduction in just 2 weeks, up to 96.52% for the bikini area, with consistent use every other day. Its Sapphire Ice Cooling system keeps the contact temperature below 65 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring nearly painless treatments even during full-body sessions. The dual-lamp design covers 18% more surface area and emits double flashes, allowing you to complete a full-body treatment in just 10 minutes. With 4 customizable modes, including the powerful SHR mode delivering 26 J per burst, it effectively targets even the most stubborn hair on areas like the chest, legs, and underarms. Number 1. Ubru Laser Hair Removal. This IPL hair removal device combines clinical-grade technology with thoughtful design to deliver a safe, effective, and comfortable hair removal experience at home. With up to 96% hair reduction reported by users after 2 months, it uses advanced red light IPL, 600 to 1,200 nanometers, to penetrate deep into hair follicles, pushing them into a permanent dormant state for long-lasting results. The built-in ice compress function cools the skin to 5 degrees Celsius 41 degrees Fahrenheit before contact, reducing redness and swelling while enhancing comfort. Featuring 9 adjustable energy levels and dual modes. Manual for small areas like the bikini line and underarms, and automatic for larger zones like legs and back. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.